I'm in Florida. Bunched. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm in Florida. I'm in Florida, and I'm having an awesome time because I just came here yesterday. I didn't do anything yet. Anyway, as you can see, I'm in the mirror, so you can see my beautiful, ugly face. Beautiful, ugly face. Anyway, so I'm really bored, and I am home alone. You saw that awesome footage for 42 seconds. Anyway, so I'm gonna give you a little tour around my house or apartment in Florida. Oh. Okay, so I love coming to Florida. Anyway, so here's the shower. Let's start with the bathroom. Here is the shower. So we have this little thing over here. After we take the shower, we do this to the thing. Anyway, here's the bathroom. My mom just washed it, so there's bubbles in there. Then there's the toilet paper. Then there's the sink with the soaps. Then there's the cream and the toothbrushes. And there's the sink. Then there's the mirror. And then there's the cabinet. Oh my god. You should see myself in the mirror. I'm like squash trying to videotape these cabinets. Anyway, the cabinets. The bottom cabinets. Carpet. Other carpet. Both very comfortable. This thingy here. Walls. Okay, I'm gonna speak now. My mirror that's stuck on the wall right beside the big mirror for like the back of your hair. Boom. No, you can't see that. Anyway, here's the thing. This is really weird. Hi guys, I'm looking in the big mirror right now, and then I do this, and then it looks like I'm looking at you guys, but I'm really not. But I'm looking at you guys in the mirror right now, so I could see you. I could see myself on my iPad watching on this mirror, this little mirror. This mirror that I showed you. Here, I'm getting sick. That mirror. Anyway, I'm gonna put this back down. Now, let's continue the lights. Did I mention this thing for the towels? Anyway, so next is this closet. Not much in this closet. There you go. That's all I have to say about that closet. Then my mom's bedroom, my parents' bedroom, I mean, it's an electric bedroom, so it could go like, the leg part could go up, it could go up, or this part could go up, or they could both go up and squash your body and break your bones. Here's the hamper. Here are both of the closets. My dad's over here and my mom's over here. Then this thing right here, the door, it never opens up. The door, oh god, I tripped on the carpet. The door never opens. It's so annoying. Like, you close the door. Oh, I guess somebody fixed it. Anyway, so there's these closets, this beautiful picture. Beautiful. With these Love you forever pillows. Love you forever pillows. Anyway, so here now we're gonna go to the kitchen. The kitchen, the fridge, this, and here's a little table. Don't drink alcohol, kids, or wine. Don't get drunk. Some of my mom's medicine. Yeah. The chair and this thing gets not hot, but steamy. Not steamy. When there's a lot of water and stuff. There's the microwave, the oven that's broken. Don't touch this, kids. This part, kids, mostly when it's broken. The dishwasher, the sink, this thing, more cabinets, more cabinets, more cabinets. Anyway, that's about it. Next is our dinner table. Perfect. Messy because we are fixing these things of the doorknob thing. And here is the couch. I know it's humongous. Huge. It's huge. Don't jump. And here's this. My little bed couch. You could open it up. You could take this huge pillow out. You could take it out, and then you could open up the couch, and it turns into a bed. This one is, you open this thing right here. It's too heavy right now because there's this and it's bucking. And so you open it up. I need 2 hands too. And then we put a little bit of, like, not a sheet, but a sponge that covers up this whole space. Almost this whole space. This is where my brother sleeps. Beautiful, beautiful paintings. And then I have my piggy bank. My other piggy bank. And then a large screen TV. Big screen TV. Then I don't know why I paused there.